Hi, this is Joe from 2190 ST Transport Vlogs. I hope that you enjoy this video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.
And she was just like, and then my dad was like, hey, I'm not money. So she just lost like
Stop service to Sydenham. The next stop is Victoria Cross.
A monthly. Because the next one's but then since I take the car, it's so good.
Oh, good.
I just started looking like 4 months ago.
What was it? Lisa? I did.
What am I saying next?
And I was like, surely.
After the bank license, Metropolis, I am guessing the ticket started to go right at 8 hours, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Because they work, because on morning at peak hours it's going to be packed.
I admire your tenacity to think ahead, but I think you're right.
Because if they don't run in 8 cars, then if they run 4 cars, then it's going to be packed in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, me and Angus and Matthew, we went to Bankstown and looked at how
I'm going to wrap the vlog up. Thank you so much for watching.